Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from the Besses in Mexico. Today I went around downtown, went to Las Glorias. I wanted to see what our storm did to part of the city. This was the rain from the hurricane. The hurricane was actually south of Puerto Vallarta, so we got the rain, and boy did we. So the video that I have here is a few of the places that I went to. It was pretty sad. The beaches were kind of messed up and there was a lot of flooding going on. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the parking lot across the street from the condo. As you can see, it's pretty flooded. Parking lot is flooded. I don't think this person knows what he wants to do. Too funny. Walking in the parking lot, it's still filled with water. It's past their ankles. Every corner is still flooded. This is how bad the water was at these two hotels in Las Glorias, Canton de Sol and Plaza Pelicanos Grand. I'm here in Las Glorias, and from that rain, there's a tree that fell, pretty big tree. Looks like it fell from right there. Not sure where this came from. Not sure if it's a construction site or just picking up debris from the storm. I'm going to the beach that's between Pelicanos and Canton de Sol. As you can see that there is a lot of debris going on. Let's take a walk to the beach. There's still some water, looks like a lot of water. There's a lot of debris here. I don't know if this debris is what they picked up already, which they might have. It's a big mess. More debris. Unbelievable. Oh my, what a mess. Can't even get to the beach. This used to be all sand all the way across. This is what the beach looked like before. This was all sand all the way across. Look at that debris. Again, this is the beach before. Look at all this debris and trash. So sad. Got a lot of water here. All that water coming down on the streets. That the drains are even full, almost to the top. This is another entrance to the beach in Las Glorias. It looks a mess. Oh my goodness. This was sand all the way across. It got washed away. Incredible. That is just so sad. This wasn't even from the hurricane. This is just the rain from the hurricane that was south of Puerto Vallarta. This is the Rio Cuale. A few months ago, this thing was pretty empty. Now it is flowing. I was told by a local to watch out for the crocodiles. I haven't seen one in there yet, but I heard they're in there. It's just flowing. There's a suspension bridge. It's a real Cuale. It's pretty full. This river is really, really high. The river's looking pretty gross. And you can say be careful. Could be crocodiles. The water is all brown, not swimmable. And that is just my opinion about it not being swimmable. And you can see why. This is all the water from everywhere, streets, and the sewers, everything feeding into the ocean. And that's why it looks all brown. Not swimming river. This is how crocodiles get in there. It's funny how you could see the two different colors of water. Brown water, where the river ran into, and over here, the water's better. Crazy how that is.